That's solar, as well as that is solar, as well as these lights are on solar. They all look good. Let's not forget these. They're all on solar as well. These are on solar. And look at this solar. What's happening here? Is it wet? Is it because the shade's hitting it? That's been up there for quite some time. I got a solar security light. You can see it lit. It recognized me. It's still working. And I got a solar birdhouse. I'm not even sure if it's even on. Yes, it is. It's got a light up there as well. Let's not forget these two. They're solar. You tell me what gives. Just amazing. It's like the other day. The light's not flickering on and off. Just what gives? It's haunted.